What's good, YouTube? Alex here. Today, you already know what time it is. I'm back with another video. It's Christmas Day, and if you've been subscribed to the channel, you know exactly what this means. It is time to open the Black Friday mystery box from Diamond Supply Co. So yeah, let's go ahead, get cracking into this. Like I said, if you've been subscribed to the channel, you already know this is the yearly tradition that get the box on Black Friday. Open it Christmas Day. Last year it was a little late, and this year they did 3 to 4 week shipping, and it literally came like last week. So thank you, Diamond, for actually shipping on time this year. But yeah, this mystery box, it was $120, and you get 3 hoodies or sweatshirts and bonus items. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, finish cracking this bad boy open and see what's inside. So yeah, let me know if you guys picked up the mystery box as well, or what you got for Christmas. If you got something cool for Christmas, drop it down in the comments and let me know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open. And ooh, okay, I already see. First thing we got is a hat that is crushed. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. We have a black, okay, cool. It's an unstructured hat, so it's not crushed. Cool, so it's kind of floppy. Nice, we got a black hat. Dude, this is sick. We got the black hat with a 3D Diamond Supply Co. embroidery on the front, and then we got like a little palm tree here on the side. This is really cool. Yeah, I like this a lot. It is the OG Script snapback from spring 2019. So, yeah, it's cool. Let's see. We got something else. What is this? Oh, okay. Yo, this is cool. I've never had this. Out of all the years, I've been buying diamonds since like 2011, 2012. I don't even think I've seen these before. Well, this is pretty cool. These are diamond laces. Diamond Supply Co. shoelaces. They come in this little box. That's pretty cool. Diamond shoelaces. I do have some diamond shoelaces from the collab, the Black Tiffany's. I do have those shoelaces, but these are cool. Diamond shoelaces, definitely different. Something I've never gotten in a previous mystery box. Let's see. Is there anything else? Nope. Alright. So let's go ahead and start with this one. We have the Brilliant Crew Neck in navy. Cool. This is super sweet. I'll be rocking these hoodies, so I'm going to go ahead, crack these open. I've been needing a new crew neck. I don't wear much navy, so we got the navy crew neck right here. Does have anything on the back? Nope, just 100% navy with the little diamond hit on the chest. That is some of my favorite stuff because I love simple, clean, easy to wear stuff. Something navy with just a little diamond hit on the chest in white. This is definitely getting put to good use, so I am happy with that. Let's see what we got next. We got a gray. The classic horror hoodie in gray. I don't remember this one. The classic horror hoodie. So, let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, that's sick. Is there anything on the back? Yo, there's stuff on the back too. Oh yeah, this is fire. Okay. On the front, you got diamond right across the front in white. And then got this sick back print. Dude, that is really cool. Wow, that's this may be one of my favorite diamond hoodies I've ever gotten. That is super sick. I love that back print. That's one thing I like. If it's gonna be a design, I want it to be big, and a big back print like that is right on my alley. So, dude, that is super sick. Then we got one more piece in here. This is the Emblem Split Henley hoodie. Okay. Cool. Let's crack this thing open. Looks like it's black and orange. So I'm trying to think. Okay. Yeah. This is cool. Got the black hoodie. All black with the orange diamond right there. And you got 3 buttons up here at the top. Yeah, this is really cool. You got orange strings to match the embroidered diamond right there. Yeah, dude, this is really sick. I don't think I've seen this piece either. Oh, it's got like a gray, like a dark gray bottom. So you can see it fades from black to like a darker gray. That's really cool. Yeah, that's one of the coolest boxes I've gotten in a while. Dude, sweet. But yeah, I love hoodies. I love sweatshirts. So this box was right up my alley. And I love it. It's super sick. The orange goes well with the hat and the hoodie. This would be a good combo to rock together. And it's not too out there in your face. So it's like diamond, diamond, diamond. Don't want that. But those two together, that's going to be a good fit. So yeah, that's it. Let me know if you picked up the mystery box, what you thought of my box. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Have a Merry Christmas. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I don't know when the next time I'll make a video is, but hey, hopefully it's sometime in 2020 and we're not waiting a whole nother year like we did for this one. So yeah, if you enjoyed, leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time, YouTube. Thanks. Peace.